Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. MXP setting here again for another video. Today we're meeting for the unboxing and the first configuration of the SoundPeats Mini Pro HS. So let's see the intro and start the unboxing. First of all, thanks to my partner, Hi-Fi Media, who sent me this product. You can find the link down in the description. So the box actually is displaying the buds. These buds are Bluetooth 5.2. They look like this. And as you can see, there is a noise cancellation and a playtime up to 28 hours. Sorry. These are made by SoundPeats, as I said. And here is what's inside the box. Of course, the earbuds, which are displaying LEDs down here. All you need to do when you unbox is to remove the stickers, remove them from the box. Just to compare the size of it, here are my AirPods, the original ones. Basically, they're almost the same as the AirPod Pro, but what surprised me, is that they are very light compared to the AirPod, and it's really impressive that you have such kind of earbuds with this uptime in this little box. You can charge with USB-C. By the way, a cable is provided to charge it on any USB port. Down here we have extra plugs to put and to match to your ear, and in the top of the box you have a documentation, so we don't come spend much time here. Here are the mold with 3 proof of the combination you can make using the buds, since basically it's just tapping here on the surface to have what you need and all the settings you use, the control unique, sorry. Then just to configure, you have to be sure that to turn on your Bluetooth mode. Here, connect the SoundPeats, or plug it out and plug it from the box. You can put it right into your ear, left or right activated. As you can see, the on off has been displayed. I've already configured them as buds and something to listen to music, and what you need to do then is go to the SoundPeats app. It's gonna look for your buds on what's connecting. It's gonna display the settings here, all the settings of your buds. So basically the left and right, the current charge of each bud. And once you're in it, you have several control, noise cancellation. You can turn it on, off, and do whatever. Turn on game mode. Then what I did is to use the adaptive EQ. Sorry. All you need to do is just here. You can see that the way I'm listening to music. You just have to configure it once. Put on the headphone and move to next expiration. Turn on the volume your own. That's only the issue I've faced, is that this button is in Chinese, I think, but you have to press each time you hear the sound, so it's gonna display the sound right here. Be sure to turn the volume on, and once you complete, it's gonna take about 30 to 50 seconds. And once you're back, you have the adaptive EQ. You can turn on. It's gonna modulate and set the music and the way you're listening to sound, basically the same way you're supposed to hear it, and it's pretty accurate and pretty fine, just to match the right way of listening to music. So thanks again Hi-Fi Media for sending me these beats. As any modern buds, what you need to do to charge them is to put them back. You're gonna hear the magnetic part of it, and then they're gonna go back to charge. they will not charge as much as you want, since they want to preserve their own batteries. So you can put it right away, right back into the case, and everything is going to be fine, since they will not ruin your battery. As I said, once again, I will do more tests about the sound. If you want to purchase, here is the description below, with the box and all the things you need. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, if you do like my content, please subscribe here on my YouTube channel, turn on the bell, and follow me on Instagram to see all the content you can make with drone. Stay tuned.